Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the host Wi-Fi adapter is active and connected, and run Vmware as administrator so changes apply. Once done, open the virtual machine settings and choose the network adapter panel. You must decide between NAT for simple internet sharing or Bridge to place the VM on the same LAN as the host. This choice affects IP addressing. Now, enable the adapter and proceed to configure the specific network mode so the VM can see wireless. You now configure the adapter details. Open Advanced Settings and, if you pick Bridged, bind the virtual adapter explicitly to the host Wi-Fi interface so traffic routes correctly through the wireless NIC. If using NAT, confirm VMware's virtual network service is running and that the VM's adapter is set to NAT. This gives immediate internet access without extra host config. You may also tweak MAC address or promiscuous mode when dealing with strict routers. Make sure VM firewall rules allow outbound traffic. You finish by booting the VM and confirming network parameters using ipconfig or ifconfig. Check gateway and DNS so name resolution works. Once done, test connectivity with ping and a browser. If it fails, make sure the host VPN or firewall isn't isolating the adapter. Disable VPN temporarily or configure split tunneling. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart VMware network services and rebind the adapter. This resolves most bridging issues rapidly. If needed, reboot host to clear driver conflicts and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.